Alright, today I'm gonna be showing you how to fit a super small ear tip on a very large nozzle. I bought these spin fit omnis, and the recommended size is 4.0 to 5.5 millimeters. My True Fear Zero are nozzle size 6.3 or 6.2. And this is how I do it. Uh, you'll need a CBS floss pick or a floss pick that is thin on the end of side and thick at the top. And a flat tool you could actually fit under the ear tip. First, you want to insert it into the floss tip so it goes all the way down. And with the pry tool, you want to stretch it out. I don't think it's necessary, but it does help. I'm gonna do it this way. Alright, that's enough. Here's the other one. Just blad the impaler that shit. Alright. I like to turn these inside out. Alright. It took a while. Turn them inside out. And you want to pinch the inside of it. Here's our IM. And you want to insert it at an angle. It's still pretty difficult. Even with this method. Alright, inside out. I pinch the inside of the nozzle, the inner ring. And you kind of push it in at an angle. And there we go. That's one. I hope you could see this. I have to use my webcam. I don't have the best camera right now. It's inside out. Pinch the inside of the then press in. Hopefully it goes in. Nope. It's gonna be blurring out, blurring back in. doing it wrong. There we go. Do you want to push the ear tip with your thumb upward? Then there we have it. This is pretty hard to do, even with the method. God help you if you're trying to fit a 3.7 or 3.6 onto this 6 point something nozzle. But it should be easier with the floss pick. Maybe you could use a flathead screwdriver to get under it and, stretch it out. But yeah, that's how I do it. Thanks for watching.